Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In today's video, I'll show you how to save ChatGPT conversation. So on your Google browser, search for ChatGPT and when you are on this ChatGPT page, then you have to go for your conversation. If I go for just hi, how are you? Just I'll tap it. Okay. Then now if you want to save it, then go for in this three dot option, then go for share, go for print, and now you can see here is a PDF option. You need to click on it, and after that you can rename it from here. After that you can just save it to your phone. Okay, so this is how you can save ChatGPT conversation. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by XiroSoft. XiroSoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with XiroSoft today. For more details, check the description box.